My favorite 7 SEO strategies. I've been in the SEO game for a while, and I've seen many trends come and go. But one thing that stayed the same, people love using search engines to figure things out. And that's not changing anytime soon. In fact, 68% of online experiences begin with the search engine. And of those searches, 91% of them happen on no other than Google. And businesses are going to keep on investing in SEO because it works. 61% of B2B marketers said that SEO and organic traffic strategies generate more leads than any other marketing tactic. Do you want to know how I stay on top of the SEO game? Again, I've been in this space for a while, and I have a few strategies that I love returning to over and over and over again because they work. So let's dive right into them. Strategy 1, choose relevant keywords. Find the right mix of short and long tail keywords and use tools like Ubersuggest to generate keyword suggestions and content ideas. So here's what you want to do. You want to go to ubersuggest.com, type in any keyword. These are keywords related to your industry. So for example, I'm in the marketing world, right? I have an ad agency called NP Digital where we help companies like yours grow their traffic through digital marketing. So I may type in keywords like digital marketing or performance marketing. And what Ubersuggest will do is it'll show me all the keywords that are relevant to my space. In many cases, you will see up to 1 million other keywords. So these are all the other keywords related to the one that you just typed in. Some of them are questions, some of them are prepositions, some are just long tail variations. It'll tell you how competitive they are, how easy they are to rank for, how much traffic you potentially get if you rank at the top. So these will give you ideas of what keywords you should go after. And what I love about Ubersuggest is it tells you what keywords you have the potential to rank for. So when you put in your domain, it'll tell you what keywords you have a shot for ranking for on page 1. Because if you're going after terms like credit cards or auto insurance from day 1, you're going to have a hard chance ranking on the top of page 1. Strategy 2, optimize for voice search. 58% of consumers use voice search to find information about a local business online. Voice search is booming. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry. It's growing super fast. Have you ever tried purchasing something on Alexa? Well, if you haven't, you should try and do so. According to ComScore, more than 50% of people in the United States have tried out voice search. That's a huge number. So what you want to do is make sure you go out there and optimize your site for voice search. A lot of the things that people are asking, let's say Alexa or Google or their Siri, they're asking questions. So what I want you to do is go to answerthepublic.com, type in keywords related to your space, similar to what you did in strategy 1 with Ubersuggest, and it'll give you all the long-term questions people are asking for. Now, if you go and create questions related to your space, you don't want to do it about being Olympian unless you're in the athletic space. But if you do it for your space and Answer the Public will tell you all these terms and create a page of content on each of them and be super thorough, you'll find that you'll get more voice traffic search over time. Strategy 3, make your website mobile friendly. Mobile accounts for 58% of searches on Google. But here's the thing, if your website loads slow on mobile devices, no one's going to want to really visit it. If your website doesn't look really good on a device like this, no one's going to want to really look at it. Again, you got to optimize your site for mobile. That means you got to do a responsive design. That means you got to optimize your site to load fast. Ubersuggest, if you go back to it, put in your URL, in the site audit report, it'll tell you what you need to fix to make sure that your website loads fast. In addition to that, if you ensure that your website is also on a CDN, it'll help your website load faster as well because a CDN is a content delivery network. It puts your website on servers all over the world. So that way, even though my website is hosted in Austin, Texas, if someone in India visits my website, the CDN shows them the website from a server in India. If someone from the UK visits my website, the CDN shows them my website from a server in the UK. That way, they don't have to travel all the way to Austin, Texas, or their connection more so to pull up my website, which ensures that your website loads faster. And that's super important especially on mobile devices, because even if someone's on 5G or LTE or whatever these, latest internet connections are called, it doesn't mean that they're in a spot that actually has that kind of reception. So you want to make sure that your website is very compatible for mobile devices and use a CDN. Strategy 4, optimize your title tags. Title tags between 15 and 40 characters have an 8.6% higher click-through rate than lengthier ones. In addition to that, if your keyword that someone is searching for is not in your title tag, you're less likely to get those clicks as well. Titles that evoke curiosity also generate more clicks. Example of this is the 5 benefits of green tea. Number 3 will shock you. Whoa, what's number 3? It's gonna shock me? That's an example of evoking curiosity, and that will help you get more clicks. Strategy 5, improve site speed. Nearly 70% of consumers said that page speed impacts their willingness to buy from an online retailer. Google also looks at page speed as a metric to determine how high you should rank. We also already talked about CDNs. We already talked about putting your site in the Uber Suggest app, and when you put it in, if you look at the site audit report, it'll tell you everything that you need to fix to make sure that your website loads fast. But also make sure that your code is clean, you're on a CDN, you got a fast server. All those things will ensure that you can also rank higher. Strategy 6, prioritize backlinks. 53% of SEO experts believe that backlinking will one day be as important as search. It's one of the biggest factors when it comes to Google's algorithm. Look, if other people don't link to you, you're not going to do as well. Now, what I want you to do is go to neilpatel.com/backlinks and then put in your URL. You'll then be taken to the Uber Suggest app, but within the link reports. There's a backlink opportunities report. Click on it. I want you, it already has your URL, I want you to also add your 3 main competitors. It'll then show you all the people that link to multiple competitors, but not you. See, here's the thing. If someone's willing to link to not just 1, but 2, but 3 of your competitors, there's a good chance that they're not really loyal to just one of your competitors. They don't care. They're just linking to whoever has great content. I want you to reach out to those sites. If someone's linking to multiple competitors and you reach out to them and tell them how you have better content, better designs, better product, better service, whatever it may be, there's a really high chance that they'll link to you because they already linked to multiple people within your space. And last but not least, strategy 7, perform audits. Check for manual actions, organic traffic numbers, HTTPS related issues, index issues, and more. You can do this within Google Search Console, and you should also go to neilpatel.com/SEO-analyzer, type in your URL, and it'll run a report on your whole site and tell you what you need to fix in order of what's the easiest to fix and what will also provide the biggest lift in your rankings. If you do that, you'll start ranking higher. Now, if you want my team to just do all this for you, check out my ad agency, NP Digital, where we help companies like yours grow. And if you just have any questions, leave a comment below. We're here to help you out. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it with others. Thank you for watching.